Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome to my studio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Maggie drawstring bag. This elegant drawstring bag could be filled with goodies or even double as an evening purse. You could also add beads to the drawstrings. You will need 325 yards of No. 2 sport weight yarn. We will be using one ball of Be So Sporty yarn in colorway Chantilly lace. This is the Be So Sporty bling yarn, which means it's bamboo yarn with a thread of pure silver plied right into the yarn. We'll also be using a size 6 set of knitting needles, which is 4 millimeter. We'll be using a 16-inch circular for the bag, and you have the option of using double points for the cords. This is a bottom-up construction. We're going to cast on at the base and work up to the top of the bag, creating eyelet holes for the drawstring closure. We'll make the drawstring separately and then assemble it all together. Let's get started. We're going to use long tail cast on for starting our bag, and you want to cast on 96 stitches for the bag. When I'm doing long tail cast on and I'm not quite sure how long I need to start my tail, I like to pull from the center of my ball and the outside of my ball to begin. And what you want to do is grab one side over your thumb and the other side over your fingers and pull a loop through the loop. And that counts as your first cast on stitch. And we're going to do that for a total of 96 stitches. And then once we have all of our stitches cast on, you simply choose which end of the ball you want to work from and cut the other one off. And leaving that tail at least 18 inches long so you have sufficient use for seaming up the bag at the end. Once you've cast on all your stitches, you want to make sure that they're all going in the same direction before you join in a ring. You want to make sure that they're all facing in the same direction, so I like to follow the spine of the stitch and make sure they're all going towards the inside of the work, and that way you haven't twisted your stitches. In the next video, I'll show you how to do this beautiful slip stitch textured pattern. The Maggie Knit Drawstring Bag is available in 80 Handmade Gifts book. You can order an autographed copy from my website, or you can order an instant download of the single pattern, and you can also order a hank of Be So Sporty bling yarn. For those of you that don't know me, I am an author, designer, entrepreneur, single mom, and a teacher. I hand dye and sell many beautiful yarns. I'm the author of dozens of crafting books and hundreds of free patterns. Have you seen my YouTube channel? There you can find hundreds of how-to videos on knitting, crochet, crafting, cooking, DIY, jewelry making, and so much more. I also host a live stream podcast on my YouTube channel 6 days a week. You can join me live at sunrise at the beach. It's so much fun. It is called Create, Share, Inspire Podcast. I do hope you can join us. Ask Me Anything live. It's a lot of fun. I also have a charity, Project Kristin Cares. A portion of every sale from my brand supports survivors of domestic violence. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.